We're here today to check out Larissa's really cool wooden stove, and she's going to demonstrate how this is really helpful for these developing countries.
You would actually put your pot on top, so it's like a normal gas stove, and then you would just stir things up, like usually people boil rice or make curry. The cool thing about this stove is that it's about 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit inside this chamber. It's really hot, really efficient flame, but actually the outside is really cool to the touch. So I can touch it, and it's actually not hot.
You know it's an efficient flame because the fire is moving in one direction, it's not flickering, and it's all channeling all that heat up to the top of the stove. You don't see it going sideways, you don't see it going down, it's all going up. And our stove actually boils water 4 times as fast and uses only 1/3 of the wood of a normal open fire because of the efficient design.
So I hear that you're going to be in this competition.
Yeah, so this week we're competing for $10,000 on Idea Blob, and we'd really love for if you could vote for us. Your help, just one vote, and send it to your friends, can help us develop more better prototypes of this stove and talk to women in developing countries about what they would like to see.
To make things easier for you, this is the ideablob.com website, and I'm going to go through the voting process. As you see, there are 8 finalists at this point. Let's click on the extreme affordable cook stoves for the developing world. Chances are that you have not registered yet. Well, we'll click on the register here button. So we'll fill in the username, password, and an email address. And the username can be anything you want. So I'm just gonna type all that in right now. And there's a security question. Just type in a number and check the box that say I have read and accepted all terms. And there's this optional information which you can skip, and on this page click on vote. But before you can vote, you have to check your email. So I just logged into my email account. I noticed there's a confirmation email. Just have to click on this link to confirm my registration. And once I log in, I'm gonna browse the ideas again. And I'm gonna click on the extremely affordable cook stoves entry. And I'm gonna click on the vote button. That's it. Thank you.